Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this SprutCAM training course, and today's topic will be the multitask machining. So these equipments can execute, as the name says, several tasks at the same time, or at least in the same work environment. Um, we have one example with this machine. I think we've seen it already in one of the previous videos. I will put this running a little so that we can see what it does. Okay, so you see that we have several things happening, several tools working. Changes are done from one head to the other head. Okay, so a lot of things are happening, and this is complex to define and to have everything on the proper order. And we have a couple of tools we can explore to optimize this and to check if everything is okay. One of the things it is under the setup of the machine in this particular case. For each of the programs, we need to insert information. What is the segment, if we can say, what is the tool or the segment that is working, and this will allow the system to identify what or who, in this case, should work on the part with the program that is calculated. Then we have for sure these approach returns and tool change positions. Everything should be okay according also with the kinematics of the equipment. And then under the simulation, we have something called channels. Single channel will simulate, as you know, operation by operation, independent of the multiple things we have inside our machine. But we can choose also the multi-channel, which execute the simulation at the same time and allow us, it depends on what we want, because we can have several things happening, but allow us to edit it to check if everything it is okay or not. Okay, let me show you one more thing, which is under simulation and also under machining. This little graphic that are on this side it identifies in this particular case where or from which side it works. So it is interesting. We could do left, okay, and it will change for other things. But this is also a graphical help that we have inside Sprut. Again, so if we do the standard simulation, it's single channel and it will run program by program. But we can have, even for productivity, we can have multiple channel working at the same time. Probably this is not set, so I may have problems on this, because you see that things are working at the same time. Oh, too fast. Things are working at the same time. So probably it is not prepared and it has issues. But at the same time, I can prepare and I can identify this to avoid these collisions and so on, and to get some more time, some more productivity when creating my sequence of programs. So I can open this and then edit what I need to change and to check all these features. This is not a very easy subject, okay? But anyway, this is a brief introduction to what you can expect from this feature. I would recommend to start to grab this example, which is one of the examples you have on the standard installation of SprutCAM. Try to play a little with these parameters and to what it is done. Make some changes, try to edit, and After, if you have any questions or any problems, let us know that for sure we will give you all the necessary support.